So the Oxford-Cambridge arc is really a hotbed for innovation. There's lots and lots of companies in this area working on novel applications of technology into the automotive and the transport industry.
New technologies, new materials, autonomy, new energy sources, electric aircraft, hydrogen fuel cells, sustainable aviation fuel.
It's a fantastic place for advanced technology company, for university, and for having all that connection and all that dialogue with other people from the industry to develop idea and to develop the technology that we need.
We're very much in a cluster of technology companies, so if you need something manufactured at last minute, you need something made for you, you need some software, you need some support, it's very easy to find things in this region.
The potential for innovative technologies for both the ARC and the wider UK is vast, particularly with UK government incentives.
Being in the ARC gives us access to highly trained, highly qualified skill base, one of the key points for our location choice.
We sell autonomous ready vehicles. I think the Oxford-Cambridge ARC is a great place for StreetDrone to be developing. There's a lot of R&D support for companies like ourselves.
We are actually a purpose-driven business that builds sustainability strategies for a number of stakeholders in motorsport or with high-tech businesses. Motorsport is the perfect R&D lab to develop new technology.
We're a global leader in automotive and automotive technology test.
We're looking at the future vehicles and the future technologies that could be utilised within the next generation of automotive vehicles. So we're looking at next generation battery technologies, EV power electronics, and then also connected and autonomous vehicles.
Cavway is one of 6 automotive test beds, part funded by the UK government, being developed with a view to making the UK a centre of excellence for the testing of autonomous vehicles.
We work with lots of different companies from all over the world, the US, China, Europe, but we work with a lot of local companies as well in the Oxford to Cambridge arc, the academic institutions. They all deliver a pipeline of engineering talent, of technology talent, of scientists.
The university itself doing a great job to incorporate some of the people of the cluster inside their advisory board. I'm in one of the advisory board of the university, and we can direct the choice of subject that the students should choose. In Cranfield we introduced mechatronics last year because it's something that the cluster needs, so we need people to be trained on that. So that's I think it's a two-way relationship with university that is great to see.
Motorsport is huge in this area, with many companies, like I said, between here and Oxford that we can work with and utilise. So that's very important.
Lots of Formula One teams are based here, and then their supply infrastructure as well. So lots of companies that are able to develop hardware and software prototypes quickly and turn them around so as you can get your product to market as quickly as possible.
There's a lot of startups going on in the region associated with things like perception, computer vision, AI, all of those aspects that are very well supported here in the UK.
The motorway network, the rail network, and also it's close to lots of different international airports at London and Birmingham, so you can distribute your product around the UK and around the world from here if you set up a manufacturing base in this area.
Japan were not looking at any kind of, let's say, research of batteries in the UK. They were keeping it to Japan and the US. But with Faraday being established, developing battery research and the next generation of batteries here in the UK, this has allowed Nissan to start developing the next generation of batteries here.
The government recognition of the ARC is very important, not only to the UK industry, but also in attracting overseas companies.
Having that international recognition that the Oxford-Cambridge arc brings, it really helps us in publicising and showcasing what we do and showing that we're based in this hotbed for innovation, this centre of excellence.